I'll show you how you can see the delivery address on Uber Eats. Now you can see when you buy something from Uber Eats, the delivery address is up here on the top left. Now you can see right now, I'm just going to click on Don't Allow. This is what the addresses look like. You can see. Now you can see if your home is right now here. For example, my home is London right now. You can see this is what my home will look like. You can see this is what it looks like. If you want to see the more detailed version, click on the pencil icon here. And then you can see this is what the more detailed version will look like. Just give it a second to load here real quick. Now here it is. This is what the location will look like. You can see, we can see the building type, the house details, the postcode, and you can see the drop-off points you can see as well. And you can put in the address label like work, home, or other. Now if you want to see this is home, just click on that. Same thing. If you want to go to set work, you can see here as well. If you want to have a home in other versions, so for example, I have a home in Ireland, for example, Ireland like this, Irish restaurant just like this. You can see this is a house, and you can see this is what it will look like. This is what the address will look like, just like this.